Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorials, and today I'll show you how to this type of photographs. I got this photo from devena.com and I'll provide you the download link for practice purpose. And now let's see. Press Ctrl Command J. You're getting another copy of this layer. And then at first we'll remove the face spot and the smooth the face. Going to the spot healing brush tool, select once. And after that, going to the filter and neural filter. Do update your Photoshop into 2021. It will help you out to make the neural filter in your Photoshop. Turn on the skin smoothing. You can make it zoom. Okay, that's fine. Making it zoom, not too much. Yeah, here is the blur portion. You can blur it too much, or you can make it smooth like this. And hit OK. And here is spot. Just remove this. Actually select these two layers and making it merge and remove that. Let's see the before one and after one. Before and after, huge change of that. Okay, after that we'll do the color grading by the help of the camera filter. Going to the filter and camera filter. From here, at first making this one a little bit like this and adding some shadow and contrast. I'll make the contrast down like this, blacks, and from here dehaze. That's good. Let's see the before and after. And now highlight a little bit down and the shadow a little bit up and whites as well. From here the vibrance a little bit up, saturation a little bit down. And from here going to the color mixing options. From here luminance, intensity of the color, saturation, percentage of the color, and hue, which color will be. And the luminance, red I'll increase and orange and this. Okay, that's fine. Hue, I'll change the red into this. That's good. And blue and green color, I'll make the green like this. The blue could be like this. Yeah, that's fine. And going to the color grading, shadow color, mid-tone color, and highlight color. Here the shadow color, the color defines with the hue. I'll select here a color like this. Yeah, this type of colors. That's fine. And the mid-tone color, changing the mid-tone color like this. And the highlight color would be like this. That's fine. And here the calibration, here is the calibration, blue. I'll make the blue like this, blue primary, and the green primary, I'll make the green primary like this. The red primary will be like this. So let's see before and after, huge change. And I'm saving these settings for you guys, and I'll provide you that settings in my video description. Saving it out and giving the name the girl. Okay, and hit OK. So let's see the before and after. And now going to the curves options. From here I'll add some gamma and brightness. Yeah, that's fine. Selecting these two things, that means two layers. Going to the convert to smart object options, and after that going to the filter Nik Collection and Color Fix Pro. This Nik Collection is another plugins for the Photoshop photo editing or adding the filters to the photo. I'll provide you the download link in my video description. Hit the OK button. Okay, and from here I'm using the cross processing. So cross processing, lots of method over here. Which one is your preference or your favorite one? Choose that and pick and apply in your photograph. I think this one or this one. L0T is good for me, and hit OK. It's taking time to load it up and provide you the final output. Before and after, huge change you are getting over here. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section. And until the next video, I'm ASM Arif signing out. Stay safe, stay at home, keep me in your prayers. Bye bye.